beautiful day out here at Hart Springs Park. We're just about settled in. This guy is fixing things already. And he says to me, these things keep falling on my neck. And this is the other side of camping. It is caterpillar season, so they're falling out the trees and landing on us. Ashley would love this. Oh look, another one. But it is a beautiful day out here. And I have a hat on because I do not want that in my curly hair. Okay, so the knobs are not popping out.
No.
So we have to take the legs off.
Yes.
And pull out the metal piece inside.
Yes.
And expand the tension.
Yes.
And then shove it back in there.
Yep.
And we have 3 more legs to go.
Yes.
Let's go.
All right. Ready? So we're going to shove this in there and then pull this behind it to be able to shove it in there and push it out. The purpose is to get it out of here so that we can then expand it.
It landed over there. Okay, now you came back from your trail walk.
Yep. So now you take this and you expand it outward so that when it's in the tube, it puts more tension. So now we just put it back in there. Shove that in there, and then you slide it down until it engages out of that hole there.
Engaged.
Two down.
All right, so we are Hart Springs Park. We're pretty much set up. Just a couple of little detail things left to do. It's nice to be back out here again. And close up the truck and its little mess in the back bed. And then off to explore. What are you doing? Do you need the stool? He's got truck tires. Climb them truck tires. Good job, babe. Good job.
Step ladder. If we would have had the kayak, I would have had the step ladder. I would have had the regular ladder, expandable one. But I let the kayaks, those kayaks, I was like, we don't need it.
We have a step stool.
I got this. Where's step stool?
Inside.
Oh, damn. Usually there.
And there's the step stool. So we made it to the Springs. The office is there. It closes at 4:30. And it's like a ghost town out here. Just a couple of people. And there's this spring. Hart Spring. And you normally can swim in it. Except that the waters are super high right now.
Yeah, that deck over there is supposed to be the diving platform. And the water goes right to the bottom of it. Yeah, I've seen pictures of people like diving, like. Pew.
So it's super high.
It's super high. So that's why it's probably.
So when the water's not clear, they don't let you swim. It's beautiful though. Is it clear?
Yeah. I mean, this is like the green stuff. Damn. How big is yeah, I mean the actual. I mean this is like. I don't know what you call that. But out there, I mean the actual water itself is. It's not as cold.
Is Wiki watching?
Yeah. I mean it's cold. Don't get me wrong. Or it could be because I put my hand in there and it's my numb hand. And I don't feel anything. Let's try the other hand. Nah, it's not bad. I mean, it's gonna be. I'm gonna be.
You gonna be like what? Look how high the water is. That's the stairs.
To get in the water. But you gotta get in the water to get to the stairs.
Okay, so this is the handicap ramp. It runs under the bridge. And it comes out here. And then you can roll into the water. But it's all underwater. That's insane how high it is. Looking for trails. He knows me. This house was at the end of the trail, and I guess you can rent it. So he's like, let's go check it out. And you gotta tell me twice. Good thing about this underneath part is I can probably hang a hammock here. Be in the shade, put some music on. Open road, baby, open road. It's raining.
Yeah.
So now we've come to the end of the road, and it's raining heavier. All right, we went out for a little scenic bike ride. Look at this guy. You look a little wet, babe.
The water just running down my face.
We got back just in time though, because it just started really raining hard. Very thankful for this guy right here. Excuse me, sir. We did not invite you. We did not invite you. And we did not invite you to the party. That's why we have a cover. How did you get here? Oof, we're out of breath. There's a lot of branches here to jump over. He wants me to take my arms. You coming back? Bless the Lord. Ons were saved another day.
There's a deer. There's another right there.
Making adjustments along the trail.
Sticking up my butt.
We don't need that.
Nope.
We're going towards that blue marker.
Felt violated.
And that goes somewhere down there.
If I didn't know any better, I would have followed that blue one back there and it would have led us into the woods. Right there. That blue one on that tree.
Up
I was like, where's that go? Where does that go?
in the water.
In the water.
All right, here's a boardwalk for us on a bike. This is narrow as heck. Ain't nobody riding through this. You already hit the rail? Oh, vey. Look at this. For the guy who reads all the signs. What does that say? You didn't read that one.
No bikes allowed. But I just came across this entire boardwalk. I'm on the other side. I rode my bike. I won't lie, it was fun. Dangerous. And I almost fell twice. I hit the side railing with my handlebars twice. Violette's been scooting across. Just pedal. Just pedal. Oh, okay. Yeah, yours are wider than mine.
You know why they put that big sign with the big blue arrow? Because you think the road ends there. Because you can't see a trail.
Finally made it to the trail. Coming down from the campground, the regular road. I had a bike lane. But we finally made it to the trail. And we're going to a bridge that crosses the Suwannee River. And it is 3.9 miles or 2.9? 2.9 miles from here. So, almost there.
Let's go. We made it to the bridge. There's supposed to be water down there, people. This ain't it. We made it to a bridge. 14 miles, a little over 14 miles today. About 12 miles an hour. It is a beautiful day. And I believe now we're about to cross the bridge that goes over the Suwannee. I didn't see what it said. Alright, there's some water. Thank you, Lord, for beautiful weather, for a safe trip, for vacation. My banging husband. Thank you. And here's the Suwannee. We are on the trail. This brother just turned off the trail, went down through there, and disappeared. Alright, so I just followed him off of this trail, and there is a lateral trail back here, and this is somebody's private property back here, and he disappeared somewhere back there. So here we go. What? The ham sandwich. Sir, what are you doing?
So that's his crossing. I wonder if sometime back in the day, before the bridge was here, they had a crossing with a boat or something. Maybe it came straight over here to where I'm at. And they get on the trail and then go back up. Hello! Welcome to the party. You see her on this side? She's trying to get to this side for a photo op. I don't want to end up in the river. But that's what she's thinking. Look at that. Take those wheels up. Well, I'm glad you know how to swim. And your phone is over here. Alright, this adventure is away from mine. Try that again.
Huh?
No, nothing.
You want me to make Wallenda in?
Yeah, so I can see you coming forward. Yeah, I know there's a drop. You chose to be up there. So they do it on a tightrope. You have like a 12 to 16 inch beam. What's down there? What?
What is wrong with you? ¿Qué tú haces, nena? ¿Estás loca? ¿Estás loca? ¿Qué tú haces allá afuera? We're sitting here at the pool because that's where the Wi-Fi is. And all of a sudden, poof, all the power went out in the campground.
It's black out there. The lights from the trailer, VRVs.
Well, the power was triggering off and on today, and we thought it was us. But maybe it was their overload.
So the campground lost power. So I'm using the handicap stall. I brought my own lantern and I can take a shower here. All right, just before I started taking a shower, lights were restored. So I was able to take a shower with bathroom lights. So, but I had my lamp ready just in case. How's that pork chop and rice?
I don't know. The rice is really good. I've tasted that several times.
All right.
Are you videotaping me while I was praying?
No,
Oh, good. So those are private conversations.
I know. That's why I waited till you to finish. But you cooked these amazing camping meals. I just wanted to get it on video.
Stop. I'll tell you how it tastes. So good.
All right. Well,
And tonight for dinner, we have a perfectly grilled pork chop with a Mexican yellow rice and also a Thai-style sweet chili sauce for the meat. Oh, so delicious.